This website is incredible in every sense of the word. It enables access to paid image models such as ChatGPT, NanoBanana, Midjourney, as well as the Grok Imagine model for generating videos up to 15 seconds in length, entirely for free. Before we get started, subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video, so we can keep finding and sharing amazing websites like this. Registration is not restricted to Gmail. Any email address can be used. Upon account creation, you receive 200 credits, plus a daily allocation of 60 free credits for image and video generation. As shown, I added 60 credits, which renews daily. The platform also provides ready-made templates and ideas based on the latest trending content across YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, making it easy to create content inspired by what's currently going viral. In this example, I selected an image generation model, defined the preferred style, entered this prompt, and clicked Generate. As demonstrated, the output was excellent. To convert an image to video via Grok Imagine, right-click the image, select Video, input your desired prompt, choose the Grok Imagine model, and set the duration to any. I will choose 15 seconds. Once the generation is complete, you'll have your finished video. The final result looks fantastic.
This is disgusting! Look at it! I'm not eating that garbage! You have to! It's your turn! No way! You eat it! It's your responsibility! I won't!
If you run out of credits, you can either wait until the next day to receive another 60 free credits, or create another account using a different email address, allowing you to generate even more AI images and videos. Subscribe to the channel and comment "Done," and I will send you the direct link to the website.